2019 Kia Optima with the 2.4 4-cylinder engine. Today we're going to be doing an oil change. Over to our computer, you can see that this vehicle requires 5.07 quarts of 5W20 or 5W30 depending on your area. For our area, our cap indicates 5W20, so just make sure you double check that before you add your oil. And this is full synthetic, by the way. And for this oil change, we'll be using the CarQuest Romeo 85334 oil filter. Let's get to it. And underneath the vehicle, our first step is going to be to remove these 10mm bolts so that we can get our access port open right here. And with the access port open, we can see our oil filter located right here at the front and our drain plug located right here. And that drain plug is a 17mm. And while that oil is draining out, take that time to go ahead and check your crush washer. It is right here onto your, oh, mine's kind of stuck on there, but look for any cracks or any indication, anything that would make you question its integrity. And if you doubt it, go ahead and replace that crush washer or your entire drain plug if that's what's required. If not, feel free to reuse it. Go ahead and crack open this oil filter real quick. Once it's broken loose, just go ahead and give it a good spin. The oil should start draining out. There it goes. And with our oil filter removed, be sure to check your oil filter housing right here. This ring that the oil filter actually clamps up against. Make sure it's clean of any debris and that that old O-ring came off with your old oil filter, so that way you don't get a double gasket. Next, reach over here, grab some of that used motor oil. Use it to lubricate up our new oil filter O-ring and install. And when you're putting down this oil filter, just put it down hand tight. That's it. And with our oil finished draining, we can go ahead, put down our oil drain plug. Go ahead and put that down until you get resistance. And then give it a good hit. And that's it. And with everything buttoned up underneath, I figured you're gonna run out. And with everything buttoned up underneath, let's come in here with a can of brake clean and spray down the drain plug and our oil filter. And the reason we do this is so that if we see oil in these two areas when we're working on this vehicle the next time, we know that we have a possible oil leak and not that we just left a mess during our last oil change. Go ahead, put that cover back on, and let's get up topside. And back up topside, we have our oil fill cap right here. You can see 5W20 on the cap. I want to talk about this real quick with how these are designed. As you can see, they have a place right here for overflow. So when you add the oil here, make sure you add it slowly because it can regurgitate out. Sometimes they'll have baffles in it. It doesn't look like this one does, but they have this ring here to catch any oil runoff, and it makes it drip right down the front of your engine. And you can see right here, they might need a valve cover gasket, or whoever added the oil last time was just really messy. But you don't need to take that cover off. I just wanted to touch base on this. So if you are adding oil without a funnel or something, you might want to get like some shop towels or a rag and just stuff them right here so it'll catch any runoff oil. Make sure that cap is down tight. And done. 2019 Kia Optima with the 2.4 four-cylinder engine. We've just performed an oil change and now we're going to reset the oil life. To do this, go ahead and start your engine utilizing these pads right here. Go ahead and just press your page button until we get to the user settings. Use the toggle to go down to service intervals and press OK. After you're in service intervals, you can go down to reset, press OK again, and reset your time and distance by pressing OK a last time. Go away. There we go. And just like that, your oil life and distance has been reset. Yes, I'm going to check the tire pressure monitoring system. Please stop yelling at me. By the way, if your pressure TPMS sensor is flashing like that, it means that it has more than likely lost connectivity with one of the tires. That is super annoying. Does that really just keep popping up? That is crazy. Wow. Okay, well, I'll tell the customer about that. Anyway, if you'd like to see another video on one of these vehicles, go ahead and check out that one next. I made that one just for you. But other than that, if this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We will see y'all next time.